Hey guys, what is up and welcome back. We're doing a day in the life vlog today. It's been a little while since I've filmed one of these. Oh my gosh, I am frozen. It is cold and rainy today, which is a change because we've been having the most beautiful weather lately and I've been just soaking it all in. I'm heading over to Target because I need to go ahead and get some Starbucks Virtuo Nespresso pods to tide me over while my shipment is en route to me, but I can't go without my one hot morning coffee, and so I want to go ahead and run over to Target to do that. Not a whole lot on the agenda today since it's a cold rainy day, but I thought I would go ahead and chit chat with you since it's been a hot minute since I've done so. I'm assuming most of you, your kids are out of school right now. I know we usually go one of the later ones, but that's because we also go back to school. We're one of the last people to go back to school too, just being up here in New England. Oh my goodness, why can't I find the hole? Look at all, oh my gosh, a taco holder. Look at all these little gadgets. Crazy. My friend is having twin girls and I haven't got her any clothes yet. I've got her a bunch of other stuff, but I haven't gotten her any clothes yet. I know she doesn't need a lot, but I'm assuming they're gonna be little tiny preemie babies. These are cute. This is why I don't make unplanned trips to Target very often, because I went in there for coffee and I came out spending $90. I needed to get a gift card, I needed to get a couple of things, and then I grabbed snacks and all of that jazz. So after I dropped Sydney off at school this morning, I ran very quickly to the grocery store to kind of get it out of the way. It is early release and I want to get my walks in and I have to edit some videos. So getting things done as soon as possible. We have a large thing of dry roasted unsalted peanuts. I want to go ahead and try to make my own homemade peanut butter. As soon as we run out of our jarred peanut butter, I don't know, I just thought it would be fun to give it a try, see how I like it. I have some dry active yeast packets to be making some breads with, milk chocolate chips. Ghirardelli is my favorite as far as taste goes. I want to make some hummus at some point, so I grabbed a can of chickpeas. I usually just buy regular flour, like all-purpose flour, but this one says for bread and pastries. I don't know if there's a whole lot of difference, but I will give that a try with some breads and maybe like pizza dough. I have a large thing of water. Of course, we're getting into the hotter weather. We're going to be going through water even more than normal. I have seltzer, lime seltzer, just plain old cereal that Sydney enjoys to have, but we are out right now. And then some produce. We have blueberries this week. I always need lemons and limes on hand and I'm running low. A couple of ears of corn on the cob. We'll probably have that with dinner tonight. Some celery and carrot sticks. I'm going to be making a macaroni salad, and then also for snacking, Sydney enjoys both of these. These just happen to be on sale, so I grabbed those. Cherries. Sydney's very into cherries. this time of year. We have a couple of mango, a couple of russet potatoes. I want to do baked potatoes. Maybe not tonight, but tomorrow. It's supposed to be a little chilly, so that will be nice to have some baked potatoes. And then I have just chicken over there. I did grab a thing of party ice for my cold brews. I like to keep this in the big freezer. It's just my favorite for like iced coffees. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly put this away and then get going on my walk before it gets really warm. Some hard-boiled eggs last night, knowing that I wanted some egg salad sandwiches as well as hang on, this is sealed. That way Sydney could have a couple of hard-boiled eggs for snacking, and I can make some egg salad because I have some buns that I want to go ahead and use up. I probably should have made more because I am going to be making a macaroni salad possibly tomorrow, but I guess I'll do that tomorrow. All right, I was able to get some editing done, change my shirt at least. I am heading over to grab Sydney from school. I was thinking about going to the beach, but there's like a threat of rain happening within the next couple of hours, and I just kind of don't want to have to deal with moving back and forth places. So maybe she will be okay with, well, I won't even mention the beach. Maybe she'll be happy with just the sprinkler. I got the little girl from school. I'm gonna go ahead and make her some lunch since the release, she just scarfed down her snack in the car. All right, kind of a lighter lunch. I don't know why I gave her such few blueberries. That's what I had in my hand. Half of an egg salad sandwich, some carrots and blueberries, and she just had pretzels and hummus in the car, as well as one of my homemade fruit rolls. And she'll probably have like something like a treat or something since it is so warm. Maybe she can have some of my the homemade butter pecan ice cream. Still have that in the freezer, so that'll do it for now. Here I am on another day. So we've been pretty busy with these final weeks of school and activities and things, but have been having just such a fun time. So I volunteered at field day and love doing that. I did that last year as well. Sydney's had like themed days each week. She had a dentist appointment this morning. I had a mom night out where I went to dinner with a few other mom friends, and my mom came and watched Sydney for me and spent the night. Sydney wrapped up field hockey, and here we are. So then just getting ducks in a row and all of that as I am watching my battery flash. So yeah, today I think I'm gonna go ahead and make some like peanut butter, healthier peanut butter cup type dessert to have. I just filled out my like little notepad of things that I want to go ahead and do for ideas for like what we're gonna do daily. So I want to pick something to do every single day with her, whether it be like have a picnic outside, go on a nature walk, go to the playground. One thing every single day that I can like put on my little calendar or whatever, and I'm gonna be really flexible about it. But if I don't have a plan, or if I don't plan to get out of the house or do something different, then I feel like I can feel like I'm going crazy. And my daughter as well. I want to have a plan, and so I went ahead and filled out some ideas, came up with ideas, and filled out what we're going to be doing our first week. We're going to have a beach day with friends and on one of the days, and so I'm just really looking forward to it. I have to go ahead and change the battery on the camera, but then I want to go ahead and get to making those peanut butter cup type things. Hopefully they're good. I found the recipe on Pinterest. So I'm actually out of peanut butter, and I've been wanting to make my own homemade style. I have these dry roasted peanuts that are unsalted, so I'm gonna give it a try here. I'm gonna do 2 cups of these unsalted peanuts. I might add just a little pinch of salt and process these for a few minutes in the food processor, and we'll see how it turns out. I can't believe I've never made homemade peanut butter, because this is incredibly easy. Incredibly easy. This thing, I don't know, I think it cost me like $3.95, something like that, for this giant container of peanuts. I just used 2 cups of it, and it made a little bit of peanut butter. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make some oat flour by just grinding up rolled oats in the food processor. Okay, so these look really promising. I went ahead and melted chocolate chips with a little bit of avocado oil in there just to thin it out a little bit. I didn't have coconut oil on hand, but typically I would use something like that to thin it out with. I'm gonna pop these in the fridge, and as soon as the chocolate is set up, we can give these a try. It is time to see if they are any good. All right, Sydney, you want to try it?
Mama.
What does it taste like?
Buttercup.
Peanut butter cup? All right, I can't wait to try this. Definitely not as sweet as a normal like Reese's peanut butter cup, of course, but you can put in a little bit more like maple syrup or honey or something if you do want it a little bit more sweet. The maple syrup's already in it. So good. And now I'm gonna go ahead and keep these stored in the refrigerator. We have a nice sweet treat ready for when we want one.
In the refrigerator. I'm full.
Okay.